Knowledge management. What are knowledge managers? What do they do? Well, one way to think of it is if I have knowledge and you have knowledge, let's make a way for everyone to have that knowledge. In this way, each person in the organization has a piece of the puzzle. The knowledge manager's job is to fit it all together and maximize the effectiveness of this knowledge as a whole. We found a 6-step process that incorporates much of how the knowledge manager is to do this. First, we deal with the data. This means collecting data. This is perhaps the most important step. Without the raw data, we can't build our knowledge base. This doesn't mean we simply collect the data. One important aspect of this step is sifting through and weeding out the useless or obsolete information. We need to determine which data is relevant and organize that information. This is like sorting our data into drawers or filing cabinets. Knowledge managers do this in any number of different ways, but generally this is done and made more effective using various kinds of software tools. Now we have our information set which we will use to form our knowledge base. A knowledge manager will want to summarize this information, taking the big ideas and creating small usable chunks of information. After summarizing the information, the knowledge manager will need to analyze it. This means sorting through and discovering relationships, redundancies, and patterns in the information. Check to see how everything looks in relationship to what you already have, and organize accordingly. Now we have some usable knowledge. This means that we can synthesize or apply this knowledge across the organization. This is what comprises our knowledge base, which in many cases can be accessed through software applications or online. This knowledge can be used to make decisions at every level in the organization. Having a collected knowledge base makes the decision-making process quicker and more efficient. So, are we done? Is the knowledge manager's job complete? No. This process is a continual cycle of data collection, organization, and dissemination. A knowledge manager may have to change their criteria for relevant data or the way the information is organized many times as the organization's needs and policies change, or as new knowledge is discovered or rethought. Whatever the size of the organization, large or small, the knowledge managers are critical for designing the process through which organizations generate value from their intellectual and knowledge-based assets.